Hi there, Tama here for today's tech tip, and today I'm going to be talking about Bitly. Bitly is an oldie but goodie, and it's a great way to shorten those really long links or just to give a shorter link when you are putting something in a blog post or sending somebody a link to a document. So on the Bitly website, on the dashboard, you have this here, and let's say I want to create a new. So I already have a document here because you won't be able to see me copying it. So I'm just going to do on the Mac, Command C, because I copied the link up in I copied the URL, and I do create new link and just do Command V to paste it. And you see that's a very long link. And I want to shorten it. So click Create. And it does this link. Now I have the free version. If you have an upgraded version, you can customize the link. What it does allow you to do is to click Edit, and you can actually give it a name here. So I'm just going to just do test link. That way you can find it. It does save your links. So your links are here. And then it also has a QR code. You can create a link in bio. So these are very helpful to create shorter links or backlinks when you're in a website or you want somebody to be able to click back to something that you have posted. And you just select copy, and then you just paste the link where you want it to go. That's all for Bitly. Hope you enjoy.